Here's how you make an adjustable strap. This is a hook and a buckle, or a 3-bar slider it's called. So basically you go in the far hole, back in the hole there, and double it to get rid of the fray. And what I did is called a box stitch, which is simply a straight stitch back and forth twice with the X in the middle. All right. Now I put my folded side up, so that's the side to get covered. I put my hook down so that stays the correct direction. I make sure my strap is flat. I go back through the buckles. I fold this over 4 fingers. And then I fold that in like that. And I do the same quick box stitch like I did on the other.